ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रय विनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नमः। ओम श्री राधा कृष्णाभ्यां नमः। हरि ओम। Let us first sing the name of the Lord. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki Shri Sadgurunath Maharaj ki Jai. Invoking God's grace and Puja Gurudev's blessings, I welcome you all here and wish you all a very, very happy Chinmay Vrindavan Ashram Temple inauguration. And according to American history, it is America's Independence Day. So wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We'll think about independence also later on. But first of all, I want to heartily, very heartily congratulate our dear Swami Shantanand Ji. For the mission accomplished. Thank you. You know, I met Swami Shantananda first, do you know, in the year 1972. When our Puja Gurudev conducted the first national camp in Mumbai. And I had joined the ashram only in 1970. Since then I know him. In his various roles. He was our study group member in Pune. Then as a secretary to our Puja Gurudev, he studied at Sandipani. Then for some time he did business also. And he was in Taiwan and Hong Kong, such places. And then now you know. Then later everything is known. And then our Puja Gurudev initiated him into sannyas. And he is now Swami Shantananda. So he has gone through various phases of life journey. And I'm so very glad to see that the work that he has done, that is one thing, but he has won the hearts of all people. That is the real thing. The other person I have to compliment is our dear Swami Siddhananda. You know, I do not know how many of you know, but when I was in the ashram and when our Vedanta course started, he was my classmate. We were together in the same batch. I don't know how many of you know. Swami Siddhananda, and he's been an artist, So, and now I find his singing talent is coming out very beautifully. And he has become very popular. Swami Siddhananda and Swami and Shantananda together here, they have done a wonderful, wonderful job, and I heartily compliment them, congratulate them. Do you know that all this work what you see here, because the centers, both the centers are so vibrant with activity, enthusiasm, so they are fully supported by the board of directors, or Chinmay Mission members, so many sevaks, sevikas, teachers, and so many people who remain even unknown, and from the background they keep working. I always remember of, you must have been watching movies, and at the end they show the acknowledgement and credit also. A list goes very fast. But I know without even one of them, that movie could not have been made. So I take this opportunity to convey my deep appreciation and thanks to all those who have been working, even earlier, now, and also they will come in future. It is because of their hard work this is accomplished. In the Gita it is said, Bhagavan is all pervading. Maya tatamidam sarvam jagat. But it is said, Sarvagatam Brahma Nityam Yadne Pratishtitam. That means, even though Bhagavan is all pervading, but his very special presence is only experienced when all people work in Yajna spirit. When that spirit of total devotion, dedication to a cause, then the presence of the Lord is experienced in the form of great peace and bliss and enthusiasm and joy and happiness. Are you not experiencing that? That is called Bhagavan's presence. Another thing, somebody was talking about the weather conditions, and they keep waiting or anxiously, I hope it will not rain at that time. I said, why do you say that? Bhagavan's will, Bhagavan showed Virat Roop to Arjun. In the beginning he showed very beautiful forms, gentle and whatnot, ornamented and all such kind of things, And then later on, very fierce form also. So Bhagavan is showing his Virat Roop to us. Why should we complain? Lightning, thunder, shower, but did he disturb your program? See, it rained also very wisely. With Viveka. So everything accomplished. So Bhagavan was only showing his different forms. Saumya Rupa, Raudra Rupa. When you invited Shivji here, Dakshinamurti Bhagavan, and you don't want to see all the various forms. So we had to witness that also. Whatever Bhagavan does, that is fine. Accept that. Because Gita says, Tapamyam aham varsham nigrunnami sranami cha. I only withhold rains and I release it. In the form of rains also Bhagavan alone is. Yadatvam abhivarshasi. Ananda rupa prajaha. All these people become very happy. That's what the Upanishad also says. So Bhagavan's vivid rupas also we have seen. The presence of the Lord, grace of our Param Puja Gurudev. I see all our priests, how wonderful job they have done. And the Sthapatis, everyone. Now as you go to the temple, your heart is filled with great devotion and joy. That is called prasad. Of course, whatever laddu we get and other, that is prasad. But prasad vastu prasannata. That real prasad is as you stand in front and then you just want to keep watching, looking at that. That is called real prasad. And that prasad is sarva dukkhanam hanirasya upajayate. And when that prasad we experience, there is end of all sorrows. So, this is a very, very wonderful occasion that we are witnessing today. And we are very happy to see all this happening right here. And from children to the senior citizens, all the programs are there and they have to do it with devotion. Now, before I came here, I unveiled one plaque. What is written there, that I just want to tell you. That when we build our mission center, what do we expect from that center and what do we want to happen there? That is very important. So I said, I read one shloka, Jayatu Jayatu Kendra Sarvada Chinmayakyaha Bhavatu Bhavatu Chatra Veda Vedanta Bodhaha Bhajatu Bhajatu Bhaktya Devamadim Janavai Vasatu Vasatu Loke Shobhana Karma Yogaha. May our center shine with success in the form of achieving the very objective for which it is established. What we want here, the study of Veda Vedanta, that has been happening. We want the people's heart to be filled with love and devotion for God. That's why we have got here deities, beautiful Radha Krishna Bhagavan. Lord Ganesha is there, Lord Dakshinamurti is there, Lord Hanumanji is there. So Dakshinamurti is Jnana Rupa, knowledge. Radha Krishna, that is the bhakti. And here Hanumanji is the best example of service. So all these things, when there are jnana, bhakti and karma yoga seva, then what happens? The goal of our human life and also of our Chinmay mission, and that is inner transformation, our spiritual growth, and also we become contributors to society. That is achieved. This is through jnana, bhakti and karma. That is the goal for which we have done all these. And all our children also will learn, and everyone will learn His spirit and they will on. Okay, this is what is the one thing that we have to do. Now, only recently, only actually yesterday, I came to know, Swami Shantananda mentioned to me that Radha Krishna is his Ishta Devata. I never knew that. Oh, he's so fond of Radha Krishna. No wonder he brought him here. And it became Chinmay Vrindavan. Now, this Radha Krishna, very strange. Krishna, all right, but who is Radha? People keep on asking about Radha. Actually, the prema of Radha Krishna is such, I am really not a competent person to really speak about them. Because it is deep. and too sublime. Even Shukadevji did not mention her name also in Bhagavad. It is said his bhakti for Radha was so great. And it is mentioned by Mahatmas that he was afraid that if he mentions her name, he will go into samadhi and then he will not be able to narrate the story to that Praja Parikshit. Just imagine that Shukadeva was the very personification of dispassion, knowledge. That was his bhava, what to talk. But I would like to say only just a little about this Radha. You know, Lord Sri Krishna, Krishna is to Bhagavan Swayam. Bhagavan, Krishna is Bhagavan. And as Bhagavan, he has got countless powers. Or let us say there is one power manifesting in countless forms. And what are these powers? Number one is the power of creation. Srujan Shakti. Then the power of maintenance. Because you know, sometimes something to create is easy, but maintenance is very difficult. Then third is Samhara Shakti, the power of dissolution. Srishti, Sthiti, Samhar. Then called Anugraha, Nigraha. Anugraha means blessing, rewarding. Nigraha means disciplining. That also is power. And these are like many powers. This Radhaji is Bhagavan's power of blessing, Anugraha Shakti. And therefore, if you worship Radhaji, you will receive Lord Sri Krishna's blessings. Because Radha, that word is Radha, word itself comes from Radha means to worship. She herself worship. That is one thing. But if you worship Radha, then you get Lord Sri Krishna's blessings. That's Anugraha. And even if you have done something wrong, you invoke her blessings and say she will see that Bhagavan doesn't use his Nigraha Shakti and doesn't discipline you and doesn't punish you. Therefore it is a Radha is very good. Radha herself worships Bhagavan and then you worship Radha. That will be a very wonderful thing. Now when somebody worships Radha, it's out of love and devotion. That's why she is a Prema Swarupa. If we worship that Radhaji, our heart also will be filled with love for Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Prema will get. Then somebody asked, Bhagavan Krishna delights everyone. But who delights him? Very interesting question also there. Of course, the Vedantis will say that Sarva Satchidananda Rupa. Why should he need any other source of happiness and all that? But the Bhaktas are different. They say Bhagavan delights everyone, but it's the Radhaji who delights him. Therefore, she is called delighting power. Allahadini Shakti. She delights Bhagavan. And it's some expression in your own life also you can see. There are many people who are engaged in their own jobs. But for their own relaxation, they always have their own hobby. Isn't it? That when they do that hobby, that delights them. Regular work is there, of course. And some people like gardening, some people like painting, some people like singing, and some people like to run. Running. I always have greatest respect for those who keep running, because I can't. Therefore, but it gives such joy to them. This marathon, that marathon, they are taking part in different marathons. But the point is, you are doing one work, but what pleases you, what delights you, it may be something different from what you are doing. Bhagavan said, I do creation and sustenance and dissolution and everything I do, that's my job. But what delights me is Radhaji. Rasakhan Kavi is there. He was a Muslim Kavi and devotee of Krishna Bhagavan, and he has written beautiful Savaiyas, they are called, and all that, and he says that, I went to look for Krishna, where was he? So I searched for in the Vedas, Shastra, Puranas and all that, I didn't find him there. Then I asked for so many rishis, munis and their ashrams and all that, and there also I didn't find. And then ultimately where he found Malum? In Kunjavanam, and he was massaging Radhaji's feet. Who? Krishna. I tell you, when you read, hear such, your heart will melt in love for. That is called Radha. And let me tell you, one word is called Aparadha. One is Radha and one is Aparadha. Radha means worshipping. Aparadha means offending, offense. There are two types of offense. The one who is worthy of reverence, and if you don't revere that person, that is one offense. And if you worship someone who is undeserving, then that is another aparadha. And that's what we are doing. Surdaji says in one of his songs, who is such a wicked, crooked person like me? He is talking about himself. That Hari Jan Chandi, Hari Vimukhan ki, Nisadina Karata Gulami. Ignoring the devotees of the Lord, and I am all the time serving those people who are anti-God, against God. What kind of this? I become their slave? Radha. So you worship the Lord. The one who deserves worship must be worshipped. Some people very in simple way they also tell the other way of Radha is Dhara. Dhara means flow. At the moment, the flow of our thoughts is towards this world of objects, material things, pleasure, power. And when we turn its flow towards the Lord, it becomes Radha. It is so beautifully said, in simple manner. Said very simple manner, but it's not very easy. Because our mind is so much accustomed to all the worldly attractions that it goes there only. But again, as I said, Radhaji is Bhagwan's Anugrah Shakti, Prema Shakti, Alladini Shakti. And then if you worship, then this is Bhagwan Shri Krishna, Satchidananda Rupaya, Vishwotpatyadi Hetave, Tapatraya Vinashaya, Sri Krishnaya Vayam Numaham. Then we bow down to that Satchidananda Bhagwan. Here is our Bhagwan Ganeshji, who will remove all obstacles. Dakshinamurti Bhagavan will bless us with knowledge. Radha Krishna Bhagavan's worship will fill our heart with devotion. And Hanumanji, what to talk of Hanuman? That Hanumanji, that spirit of service that will imbibe. This is a beautiful temple, and we have done all worship. And I invoke God's grace and our Puja Gurudev's blessings for the continuous progress of this work that we have undertaken here. Now, let us sing. And you have to wait because afterwards there is one beautiful cultural dance program also is there. Dance means ras. It is the expression of joy and experience of joy. Okay? Now we'll sing. Krishna Krishna Vasudeva. Sing loudly. Krishna Krishna Vasudeva. Narayana Deva Deva. Narayana Deva Deva. Krishna Krishna Vasudeva Krishna. Narayana Deva Deva. Krishna Krishna Vasudeva. Govardhana Dhari Krishna. Govardhana Dhari Krishna. Vrindavana Chari Krishna. Vrindavana Chari Krishna. Bansidhar Bala Krishna. Bansidhar Bala Krishna. Radhavar Krishna Chandra. Radhavar Krishna Chandra. Radhavar Krishna Chandra. Krishna Krishna Vasudeva. Krishna Krishna Vasudeva. Krishna Krishna Vasudeva. Krishna Krishna Vasudeva. Narayana Deva Deva. Narayana Deva Deva. Narayana Deva Deva. Narayana Deva Deva. Krishna Krishna Vasudeva. Krishna Krishna. Govardhana Dhari Krishna. Govardhana. Vrindavana Chari Krishna. Bansidhar Bala Krishna. Bansidhar Bala Krishna. Radhavar Krishna Chandra. Radhavar Krishna Chandra. राधावर कृष्णचंद्र राधावर कृष्णचंद्र कृष्ण कृष्ण वासुदेव कृष्ण कृष्ण वासुदेव कृष्ण कृष्ण वासुदेव। राधावर कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की। एक बार 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 हरि नाम जपो रे, एक बार बार बार, एक बार 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 हरि नाम जपो रे, एक बार बार बार। राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण भजो रे, राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण भजो रे। एक बार 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 हरि नाम जपो रे, एक बार। हरि हरि नाम तेरे सब दुख हरत है, हरि नाम तेरे सब दुख हरत है, हरि हरि नाम सब दुख हरत है, हरि हरि नाम सब दुख हरत है। राम कृष्ण नाम से तू सुख में रमत है, राम कृष्ण नाम से तू सुख में रमत है, राम कृष्ण नाम से तू सुख में रमत है। एक बार 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 हरि नाम जपो रे, राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण भजो रे। हरि हरि नाम तेरे सब दुख हरत है, राम कृष्ण नाम से तू सुख में रमत है। एक बार 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 हरि नाम जपो रे, एक बार 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 हरि नाम जपो रे, हरि कृष्ण नाम जपो रे, राम नाम जपो रे, गुरु नाम जपो रे। श्यावर रामचंद्र की, राधावर कृष्णचंद्र की, उमापति महादेव की, बोलो भाई सब संतन की, ही सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की। All that I said, if we fill our heart with that, then that is true Independence Day, because we become independent of all worldly things, free from our dependence on other things. Thank you. Hari Om.